Hello everyone, I am Dr. Neema Sharma. I am a Director Gynecology at Fortis Tricliffe and Rajendra Hospital, New Delhi. Happy International Women's Day. And today I am talking about preventive health measures in women. Now this is a critical component of every woman's health in order to maximize our health and well-being. And it starts right from the adolescent age group, throughout the reproductive age group, and till the older woman. Now let's start from the adolescent age group. The most important preventive strategy in adolescent age group is to give HPV vaccine or a human papilloma vaccine to these younger girls. Ideally, they should be given before the age of 26 years of age. Before the age of 14, 2 doses are given, and after the age of 14, 3 doses are given. This prevents a virus called HPV, which is sexually transmitted and can cause genital warts and cancer cervix. In addition to vaccine, the most important thing is about the sex education, contraceptive education, availability of contraception, and HIV counseling, which should be offered to all these young girls to prevent unwanted pregnancies and to prevent sexually transmitted infection. After adolescence, the other phase of women's health is before planning pregnancy. Every woman should see a gynecologist before planning pregnancy so that any required investigations can be performed. Important vaccination can be given to women like rubella vaccine or chickenpox vaccine if she is not immune to it before she conceives, so that she has a good healthy outcome. In addition to that, tablet folic acid can be prescribed, which should be started 3 months before planning baby, and which is very, very important in pregnancy. Then comes the pregnancy. Routine screening for gestational diabetes, screening for high blood pressure is important to have a good outcome. After that is the reproductive age group. There are 2 important cancers which can be prevented if regular screening is performed. First is the cancer cervix. Every woman after the age of 30 who is sexually active should have regular screening by doing pap smear. Pap smear is a simple test which can be done, which picks up any abnormal cells in the mouth of the uterus, which can later on develop into cancer. So these abnormal cells can be treated before they are converted into cancer. So this is the only cancer which is preventable. And the second important cancer is breast cancer screening. Now breast cancer screening, if there is a family history of breast cancer screening can be done by self-examination and by doing mammograms, which can be started a little early. And those women who don't have a family history of breast cancer, again self-examination as well as mammogram can be performed at regular intervals. Now after that is the older age group. Important is to screen for osteoporosis. Osteoporosis means the bones are very weak, they are fragile and they are prone to fracture. Now the osteoporosis screening can be done after the age of 65, who's a healthy woman, and can be done by a simple test called bone DEXA or bone mineral density, which screens for how weak the bones are, how brittle the bones are, so that adequate medication or adequate treatment can be started to prevent fragile fractures in these women. In addition to screening for osteoporosis, all these older women should be offered pneumococcal vaccine and influenza vaccine to prevent these infections in them. So I would like to conclude my statement by saying that do whatever you can to lead a healthy lifestyle. Take time for yourself and do things you enjoy. Thank you.